Thomas's wrong delivery. Thomas is a really happy engine. He likes to puff on his branch line, pulling his two coaches, Annie and Clarabelle. And nearly all the engines on Sodor are his friends. One afternoon, Thomas was waiting at the coaling plant, filling up with coal. The Fat Controller arrived. Thomas, I want you to go to the docks. You have worked so hard this week that you deserve a treat. Your special is at the docks. Thank you, sir. So Thomas coupled up and Thomas puffed away. Thomas arrived at the docks. He was surprised to see a boat on a flatbed. That's strange, said Thomas. I thought Bulstrode looks much smaller. He thought to himself, this must be my special. Maybe he's so small, he must be now going to the works to get repaired. That must be my special. I'll take him right away. Thomas happily smiled and took his load away. He puffed so quietly that the barge didn't even wake up. Cranky turned to see what happened. Oh no, what happened to the barge? Stop, Thomas! Henry was waiting at the station where he was pulling a passenger train. He was surprised to see Thomas pulling the barge. I thought I delivered that, said Henry. Hello, Henry. Henry was shocked. Stop, Thomas! I just delivered that to the dock. So Topham Hatt reached over and waited at the crossing. He heard a train coming. Then he saw Thomas puffing down the line. Wait a minute. Thomas, stop! Thomas heard the Topham Hatt and slammed on his brakes. Just over the crossing, which he knocked the sign over. He puffed back. What's wrong, sir? Thomas, where'd you get that barge from? You mean Bulstrode? Isn't that my special? No, Thomas. Henry just delivered that. He was waiting for Cranky to unload it into the water with Bulstrode. But who's that? That's Bulstrode Jr. Bulstrode Jr.? Said Thomas surprisingly. Yes, Thomas, it's Bulstrode Jr. It's the son of Bulstrode. That's why he's smaller. Thomas was shocked. He didn't know that. Then what was my special? Wasn't there a load with 2 wagons and a truck? Yeah, there was. That's yours. It is for a party. It's for the party decorations. Thomas felt terrible. I'm so sorry, sir. But next time, ask the dock manager which is your load. Yes, sir. Right, I'll go ahead and put everything right. But Thomas quickly wasted no time. Thomas was on his way back to the docks. I'm so sorry I took your load, Cranky. Thanks for giving that back to me, Thomas. Your load is actually the wagons with the truck. Thanks, Cranky. Thomas puffed back slowly and coupled up to the train. And he puffed his way. And then he puffed to his destination. The Fat Controller was already waiting there. Thomas, you are a really useful engine. Thank you, sir. Thomas felt pleased.